Hello, my name is Jessie and I'm from Mumbai. I'm just talking my experience with Dr. Shailesh Pandey, which has given me tremendous result. I had a hearing loss and gradually means from last 8-10 years it was gradually becoming lower and lower, and I had ended up wearing hearing aid for both my ears, and my right ear was profoundly deaf. But and my left ear also had some issues. There is a drum that is there is a hole like in my eardrum. But after showing many doctors in all this so many years, like I've even gone to Ambani Hospital, many doctors, audiologists. Finally, they all ended up telling me that I have. There is no treatment. Your issue is like, your nerves are dead. There is no treatment. You'll lifelong will be wearing hearing aid, And hearing aid also, my percentage of hearing was getting lower and lower. So the hearing aid was also not helping me. And I'm in this teaching field, so I used to find it a great problem to speak, to hold a class, and I had a great problem with the hearing aid also, because every time I had to increase the volume, strength of it, so that clarity is not good. Anyone who is wearing hearing aid, they'll know that clarity is very bad with hearing aid. So I thought I have to live with it. But anyways, I had this issue with my, some infection had happened on my left ear, and I had come for, my daughter. In fact, I would like to tell that first, that we were just saying that we have shown so many doctors, which doctor to go, which doctor. I had some references and all, but she said, let me find out. So she Googled, and I don't know, from Procto or So she's very good at all that, then she really researched, she saw the reviews and everything, and she ended up saying, Mama, let's go to this doctor at Andheri. So I said, but we don't know now how he is. No, but he has a good, this thing I have seen. Let's go and see how he is. That's how we came over here. And the approach of Dr. Shailesh Pandey, unlike other doctors that I have gone before, was completely different. He didn't make me feel, okay, it's a gone case, nothing can happen and all that thing. I came with the problem of my left ear, because it was a little infectious and there was some leaking happening and all that. But he looked at my right ear also. He tried to investigate, and then he called me twice with my audiometry was done. Then what he said, this is a eardrum, there is a little hole that can be fixed later. This we can restore it. That is what he explored. He said we can restore this here. So I would like to go see this. And he made me take some some test and all that thing, audiometry test and all that. And he came to a conclusion, see, I'm not promising you, but I feel I can restore this ear for you. So you come anyways, because I'll tell you very frankly, there was only 10% of hearing in this, not much. So there was nothing to lose, nothing to gain, even if the thing was done. So that's what he also made me understand. If you do it and you it can. You can get a very good result, but I won't promise you. If we just go with the thought that we're just going to explore. So that is, then we thought about it, and he said, see, it is open, you all can think about it. So we thought about it and we came back. We said, anyways, let's do it, because I'm really very in a miserable condition with both my ears bad. So we did it, but let me tell you, he did it, and when the operation was done and all that, he said thumbs up, it's we have done a good job and all that. It's turned out very well. The surgery was very good and all that, but I was very scared because it was all packed up, and till 1 week my ears were packed up from inside, and I was praying, oh God, when it opens I should be able to hear. But you won't believe, after 1 week when I'd come out, come to get my all this fixed things opened up and all that thing, I could hear so clearly from this ear, and without this ear, because on the left ear I wear hearing aid, so I didn't have to wear a hearing aid over here also. I can hear clearly, and right now also I can speak to anybody, when I go out, everything, there's so much of clarity of what people say, speak and everything. So it is like a miracle for me. It's like, I think it is a miracle, and doctor is a miracle. Like I keep telling him, I don't know what made us come to you. We just came to you and you've done a miracle for me. I'm so happy, and I really feel that everybody who have tremendous ear issues or anything should come to doctor, because he really has very talented and very gives a very genuine this about your condition. He doesn't just put it away saying, okay, this is a gone case, and he'll try to make you understand. It really made us understand what my ear ka issue is and how it can be done totally, and then we went for the surgery, and I'm very happy today. I'm hearing so well, and I really thank the staff, the assistant doctor, everybody. I'm so happy that I came over here. I'll be going ahead with my this surgery also, because I'm so happy with this. It has turned out positive. The doctor said we won't be doing it immediately. Maybe another 1 year we are holding on, and maybe next year I'll go for this surgery, because I'm hoping this will also turn out a miracle, and then I'll be back to hearing normally like normal people. And let me tell you, I've been suffering from 8-10 years. Now I feel very confident. That's what I was telling my daughter. From last 2 weeks I'm feeling so confident, because you can imagine when you can't hear, you talk less also with people, you're not confident and all. But now I hear so well, and I'm so confident to go anywhere, have conversations, communicate with people and all. So thank you very much. I must say, Dr. Shailesh Pandey, thank you so much.